At Pantaloon Cymer 2019, we have another gorgeous lady who's made a striking appearance. So today we're here to speak about music. So in 2019, what was that one song that was on top of your playlist all the time?
City Mar.
CT Mar. All right, great. And from your own films, if there's a personal favorite that you would like to tell us about?
I'm not very biased. I like other people's music also.
That's really nice. An actress with a great spirit. It's so new. You must keep it.
Yeah, it's okay. Matlab, see, I'm self-obsessed in vain ways, but I'm very accepting otherwise.
You're damn adorable. So cute, I must say. If you could just quickly tell us how you keep yourself so fit all the time. Like, I mean,
Fat in the middle. I just lost weight. So
how did you manage to do that?
by not eating whatever I actually like. It's not a fun story. It's not motivating. It's a lot of giving up on things that you actually like.
But what about these cravings? Like, don't you like just crave for a chocolate cake in the middle of the night? Like, what do you do? Like, do you go in for a cheat day?
I sleep well so that there are no cravings.
So there are no cheat days also. It's been.
There are. I cheat a lot.
What do you cheat the most with? Like, what is that one binge?
Wow.
Vada pav is your binge meal.
True Bombay girl. Vada pav is my thing.
But I guess, like, it truly shows that you're working so hard trying to keep yourself fit. If you ever are looking for a, good fitness option, you can probably try Haldiram snacks because they say it's nutritious as well.
I would.
Thanks. Thanks.
But I'm not sure you should be recommending that to an actress.
No, but they say it's very nutritious. You should probably try it out.
I will.
Thank you. Long list of questions to ask you, but I know you've been tired enough answering in every language possible. So we're going to keep it very, very short and sweet. I think Rangasthalam, from all these iconic albums that you've ever made, this is something that fans enjoyed to the core. It kept playing. I'm sure everywhere you went, they played these songs, right? How do you feel about this sort of a response?
I feel really great because Rangasthalam is definitely very special because the folk-based film is something that I was always doing. I mean, I was always wanting to do it, but it has been a dream. Then I should really thank my director Sukumar sir for making Rangasthalam and giving me this great opportunity to score music that I had always wanted to. So yeah, and thanks to all the people for loving Rangasthalam and Rangasthalam music and keeping that in their hearts.
Absolutely. And I think in this whole digital era, through social media, you would have gotten so much feedback from fans themselves, right? So what would you like to say to all the fans out there who, even in return, have voted for you today for the award?
Thank you so much. I love you guys and keep loving me and my music so that I keep making more and more good and better music for you guys. And Rangasthalam had used all these raw folk instruments and rural folk artists and all that. So I would like to thank all of them who came all over from different places. We really took a lot of time to collect all of them from villages and from a lot of places. So thanks to all of them because they made it sound really good. And thanks to all my technical team and everyone.
Absolutely.